How to remove bandage from dog's leg. Your dog's legs is more than a pet. They're a beloved member of the family. Sometimes, our furry companions need medical attention, just like we do. Post-surgery care is crucial to ensure your dog's leg's recovery is as smooth as possible. And part of that care often involves removing bandages. But how do you do this safely without causing discomfort or injury to your pup? This detailed guide will demystify the process and provide step-by-step instructions for safely getting the bandage off your dog's leg. Why dog bandages are necessary. Dog's leg. Before we jump into the removal process, it's important to understand why your dog's legs might have a bandage in the first place. Bandages serve a variety of purposes. Protect the dog's leg's wound from contaminants and licking that can lead to infection. Apply pressure to help stop bleeding or reduce swelling. Keep medications and dressings in place. Support splints or other stabilizing devices. Prevent secondary injury by restricting movement. Types of dog bandages. There are different types of bandages used on dogs' legs, depending on the location of the injury and the purpose they serve. Simple bandage, a layer of gauze and tape around the affected area. Wound covering bandage, used to protect and cover an open wound. Pressure bandage, a tight covering used to apply pressure. Splint bandage, supports a splint or other stabilizing device to hold a limb in place. Each serves its own unique function and requires specific care during the removal process. Signs that it's time to remove the bandage. A bandage should not be left on indefinitely. It's essential to monitor your dog's legs for signs that the bandage needs to be removed, such as foul odor coming from the bandage, excessive moisture or discharge within the bandage, loose or missing bandage material, discomfort or irritability, especially when the dog tries to remove the bandage on its own. Completion of the recommended duration of bandage use by your veterinarian. Once you notice any of these signs, it's time to safely remove the bandage. Preparing to remove the bandage. Proper preparation is key to ensuring the bandage is detached safely and efficiently. Here's what you need to prepare. Tools. Scissors with a blunt tip to avoid accidentally cutting your dog's leg skin. Clean hands. Wash thoroughly with antibacterial soap. Assistant. It's often helpful to have someone hold your dog's leg still. Treats. To use as positive reinforcement and distract your dog's legs during the process. Muzzle. If necessary, if your dog's legs is prone to nipping or is especially uncomfortable, a muzzle can protect you both from injury. With these supplies in hand, you're ready to tackle the bandage removal. Step-by-step bandage removal process. Safe bandage removal is a step-by-step process that requires patience and precision to avoid injury to your dog's legs. Step 1. Set the stage. Comfort and calm your dog's legs. Have them lie down on their side if possible, either on a soft surface or on your lap. This position provides the least resistance and is often the most comfortable for the pet during bandage removal. Step 2. Assessment and snip. Evaluate the bandage for any tears or loose areas. Use your fingers to gently feel for any gaps between the bandage and the skin. This can help avoid pulling on any hair or skin when cutting the bandage. Hold the bandage taut with your non-dominant hand to prevent it from catching on the dog's fur. With the other hand, use the blunt end scissors to cut the material away, slowly and carefully, cutting perpendicular to the body. You want to avoid cutting too close to the skin to prevent any potential nicks or cuts. Step 3. Remove the bandage. Once all the edges of the bandage are cut, begin to unravel and lift it away. If it is particularly stuck to the skin, you can use a bit of warm water to help loosen it, but be sure to dry the area completely before applying a new bandage or leaving the skin exposed. Step 4. Examine the wound. With the bandage off, check the wound for any signs of infection or irritation. If everything looks clear, congratulations, you've successfully navigated the tricky task of bandage removal. Step 5. Clean up. Dispose of the bandage material safely. holding on to any gauze or cotton that may have become unwrapped. Provide your dog's legs with a treat and plenty of praise for being so brave. Aftercare and what to watch for. Bandage removal is just the first step in the aftercare process. Now, it's vital to monitor the wound for any signs of infection. Continue to keep your dog's legs from licking or biting at the wound, as saliva can introduce bacteria and irritate the tissue. If you have any concerns about your dog's legs post-surgery recovery or wound care, consult your veterinarian promptly for professional advice and guidance. Tips for a positive bandage removal experience. A successful bandage removal should be as stress-free for you and your dog's legs as possible. Here are some additional tips to help manage the process. Take your time. Rushing increases the risk of an accident. Be patient and move slowly. Be prepared. Having all your tools and supplies at the ready avoids last-minute scrambling that can stress you and your pet out. Stay calm. Your dog can pick up on your emotions. If you're calm and reassuring, they are more likely to be calm as well. Use positive reinforcement. Treats, soothing words, and gentle pets can turn a potentially unpleasant experience into a positive one. Don't hesitate to ask for help. If your dog's legs needs more restraint or comfort than you can provide alone, having a family member or friend assist can make the process smoother for everyone. Subscribe to our channel Pets Caring Hub for more information and share with your friends who love animals. Be sure to express your opinion in the comments. Hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Thank you.